Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 1,000 sauce full guide. Start by gathering mayo, ketchup, sweet relish, white vinegar, sugar, paprika, and salt so you are ready. Combine measured ingredients in a bowl, whisk until smooth, and taste to adjust sweetness and acidity. Chill the sauce for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors. I'll share quick tweaks for heat, herb accents, and serving ideas that are simple and flexible. In this video, I will show how to make 1,000 sauce full guide. Measure mayo first to set the texture baseline, then add ketchup and sweet relish for balance. Add a splash of white vinegar and a teaspoon of sugar to brighten the mixture. Stir in paprika and a pinch of salt, taste, and tweak with more vinegar or sugar as needed. I'll explain how small adjustments change the final profile and pairings. In this video, I will show how to make 1,000 sauce full guide. Quick recommendation: when you're standing on your feet chopping and stirring, treat yourself to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for non-stop comfort and fewer cold toes. They last through countless washes and kitchen marathons, so they feel like a small upgrade that pays off. If you want the link and other deals, check the description. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make 1,000 sauce full guide. For heat, add a few drops of hot sauce or 1/8 teaspoon cayenne and blend thoroughly. To alter texture, substitute chopped pickles for relish or pulse briefly in a food processor. Fresh herbs like chives or dill brighten the sauce without overpowering it. I'll recommend best matchups like fries, burgers, and grilled vegetables to elevate simple meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.